Welcome to our journey into the heart of one of humanity's greatest mysteries, love. Love is more than just a word. It's a labyrinth of emotions, connections, and experiences that shape our existence in profound ways. In this video, we embark on an exploration of the various dimensions of love, seeking to understand its essence and significance in our lives. From the intoxicating heights of romantic love to the steadfast bonds of familial ties, from the enduring friendships of platonic affection to the crucial importance of self-love, we delve into the rich tapestry of human emotions that we collectively term love. Join us as we navigate through the complexities of love, examining its different manifestations and contemplating its profound impact on our lives. Through insightful discussions and poignant reflections, we aim to unravel the enigma of love and gain a deeper appreciation for this fundamental aspect of the human experience. Prepare to embark on a journey of discovery, introspection, and revelation as we seek to answer the timeless question: what is love? Love, an ineffable emotion, is one of the most profound and complex human experiences. It is an intense feeling of deep affection, warmth, and attachment towards someone or something. Yet, love encompasses so much more than mere words can delineate. Love can be categorized into different types: romantic love, familial love, platonic love, and self-love, each bearing its unique characteristics and significance. Romantic love is often perceived as a powerful bond of mutual attraction between two individuals. It's an emotional elevated state infused with passion, intimacy, and commitment. Yet, it is also composed of multiple stages, beginning with infatuation, progressing to deep connection and, eventually, maturing into long-lasting attachment. Familial love is ingrained in the inherent ties of kinship. It signifies the bond between family members that arises from shared genes, upbringing, or life experiences. This type of love is profound and unconditional, brimming with unwavering support and loyalty. Platonic love refers to deep friendships that are not based on romantic attraction. This love thrives on mutual respect, trust, and shared interests. It's a bond that values the essence of being in one's life without any physical or romantic predilections. Self-love is an essential form of love that involves accepting oneself, recognizing one's worth, and taking care of one's own needs. It's about cultivating a healthy relationship with oneself and demonstrating kindness and respect towards oneself. To understand love is to journey through life with an open heart and a receptive soul. It is a complex emotion that brings immense joy and, at times, profound sorrow. Its essence cannot be captured in a single definition as it transcends linguistic boundaries, surpasses rational interpretation, and varies in personal experience. In conclusion, love is boundless and transcendent, an emotion that punctuates the human experience with its multifaceted expression. It is a force that guides us, nurtures us, and transforms us. Love, in its purest form, is the very essence of life.